I didn't realize before I came to ClearChoice that what happens in my mouth affects my whole body.
If you have a dental issue, a dental concern, dental pain, dental infection, and you're sitting and not doing anything about it, the only thing that is happening is that it's getting worse.
There are over 120 diseases in the body that can be linked to dental infection and to poor dental health.
It's important to resolve pain and infection in the mouth because those are indications that something is wrong with your body. There isn't any magic barrier that exists between here and the rest of this. And there's an amount of energy that your body devotes to trying to fight that.
There's absolutely a link of what happens in your mouth to the rest of your body. So when you have disease in your mouth, that's basically communicating to the rest of your body that your mouth is unhealthy and it's going to impact your overall health.
My health issues was type 2 diabetes. It's because I couldn't eat healthy. I couldn't eat the healthy stuff that was there for me.
I was diagnosed with cancer at 36. Then the chemo came into play. My teeth just disintegrated. It's constantly aching. Sometimes it's throbbing, and this is where I'm at.
I have 20 years of experience that shows once I clean everything out, it's night and day difference.
There's a lot of reasons a patient would want to get their teeth taken care of. It could be that they want to eat or chew better. It could be that they want to get out of pain. It could be that they want to have a better overall quality of life. But when I go in and I listen to these things that my patients are telling me, I say, absolutely, we want to address all of those things. But at my core, I'm a healthcare provider. So I can't address any of these other things unless I first focus on getting you healthy. What I do see is that my patients come in after having done this treatment and they say, I feel so much better now that the disease is out of my mouth.
I am excited to get up and start the day, and I just feel like I'm a completely different person. I'm healthier, which I didn't know these things were really connected, but I'm actually happy and healthy for the first time since I can remember.
Oh my God.